Law of Attraction. Manifest your dreams in 5 steps. You have probably heard people talk about The Secret and how the law of attraction changed their life. So, what is it all about? Can you really use your thoughts to manifest whatever you want, including wealth, success, relationships, and prosperity? How does it all work? The law of attraction is a very real thing and many successful people use it daily. If you want to change your life for the better and live a happier and more fulfilled existence, then you should definitely try implementing some of the law of attraction techniques outlined below. In this video, you're going to find out what the law of attraction actually is, how it works, and how you can use it to manifest your desires. What is the law of attraction? Law of attraction is a universal law that states that like attracts like. You might be wondering, how does that help me to live a better life? Since like attracts like, that means that positive thoughts attract positive experiences and that negative thoughts attract negative experiences. That means that you have the power to choose what you attract into your life by changing the way you think. It's as simple as that. How to use the law of attraction to manifest your dreams. The first thing that needs to be emphasized is that the law of attraction works for everybody. That's right, it doesn't matter who you are, where you live, or what kind of life you have. You simply need to change your mindset and amazing things will happen. Here is a simple step-by-step process that you can follow in order to manifest everything you have ever dreamed of. Step 1. Get rid of limiting beliefs. The first thing you need to understand when it comes to the law of attraction is that you can't manifest anything good if your beliefs are negative and limiting. For example, you want to attract your soulmate, but deep down you think that you're not worthy of love. That's a limiting belief that will stop you from attracting what you want. Step 2. Define your goals. In order to ask the universe for something, you need to know what it is that you really want. It's important to be very specific here because the universe can't really respond to general wishes. First, you really need to think about your dreams and goals. What would make your life feel fulfilled? Is it a new career, a new house, a trip around the world, better relationships with your family? Write your wishes down and try to be as detailed as possible. This is what you're going to ask from the universe and is certainly one of the most important steps in the law of attraction. Bonus tip: if you're having trouble defining your goals and dreams, make a vision board. Step 3. Use visualization techniques. Now that you've got your goals and desires clearly defined, you need to really focus on them. The best way to do that is by imagining the thing that you want. For example, let's say you want to attract a new car. You need to visualize that car as vividly as you can every single day. Imagine what kind of car it is, what color it is. Imagine looking at it from all sides, touching it. Visualize sitting in the car, feeling the seats, driving it. Notice how it feels to own and drive that car. Step 4. Use positive affirmations. Another great law of attraction technique that will help you in manifesting your desires quickly is the use of positive affirmations. Those are positive statements that you need to repeat as often as you can. Here are some great affirmations that you can use, but feel free to write your own. I have the power to change my reality. When I have a positive mindset, everything comes easily to me. Attracting abundance comes effortlessly to me. Step 5. Allow the final, and perhaps most important, the step of the law of attraction manifestation process is to allow what you're asking for to come into your life. You're wondering how to do that? Simply keep a positive mindset and relax. Don't think about whether you're going to manifest your desires when it's going to happen, or whether you're doing it right. Just stay positive and let the universe work for you. 5 best law of attraction books. Reading books on the law of attraction or taking a course are great ways of becoming a master of the law of attraction. 1. The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. 2. Ask and It Is Given by Esther Hicks. 3. Leveraging the Universe by Mike Dooley. 4. The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles. 5. You Were Born Rich by Bob Proctor. In conclusion, the law of attraction is hands down the best and easiest way to get everything you ever wanted. Not only that, but following these techniques changes the way you think and makes you a more positive and happy person. That's the true beauty of the law of attraction.